looking, oh my goodness. So today is my Monday morning, guys. Look at, guys, the eyes. Sus, grabe, guys. Tingnan yung van, guys. So may eyes na, guys. Sus, grabe, no? Sus, ito yung shovel natin ngayon, guys. Ayan, tingnan. Nakaano na tayo, guys, diba? Grabe. Sus, ito. Ayan. Oh, nakaano na tayo, guys. Ready na tayo mag-shovel, guys. Ayan, i-shovel na natin to, guys. Sus, grabe. Wow. Sus. Time to shovel, guys. It's too cold here in Minnesota, USA. This is my front yard, guys. Morning. This is Monday morning here. Yan. Sus, grabe. Sobrang lamig dito, guys. Oh my God.